Wanna launch your website but don't know where to start? In this quick guide, I'll show you step by step how to buy and register a domain on Hostinja. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a tech tutorial. First, open your browser and go to hostinger.com/domains. On this page, you will see the search bar where you can type in your desired web address. For example, if you want myawesomeblog.com, type it in and hit enter. If the domain is available, you will see a confirmation. If it's already taken, don't worry. Hostinger will suggest similar names and variations you can choose from. Once you find the one that works best for you, click add to cart. Now, move to checkout. Here you will select how long you want to register your domain. 1 year, 2 years or more. Choosing a longer period often saves money and secures your domain for the future. Next, log into your Hostinger account or create one if you're new. After that, confirm your details, choose a payment method that works best for you and complete your purchase. And just like that, you've registered your domain on Hostinger. You're now ready to start building your website and making your online presence official. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more website tutorials, and drop a comment if you need help with hosting or setup.